Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Chamet app keeps freezing issue. I have a request, if you are new to channel please subscribe and stay with us. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Find Chamet app. Click Chamet app. Click storage use. Then click clear data. Click back. Then click about. Click storage. Then click cleanup. After complete scanning, click clean. Restart your phone. Then open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type Chamet app. Click Chamet app. If you get any update, please update. Open the Chamet app, then log in your account. If your problem is not resolved after following all the steps, then understand that the server is down now. Try after few hours, it will be fine. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.